Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Claude not creating an artifact when it should using the easy steps. This is the perfect fix if the assistant tool is dumping messy walls of text into your main chat box instead of popping out a separate window card, letting you repair your layout flow instantly. Step 1. Check your profile settings page and turn on the window switch. The first step is to open your personal options menu inside your regular web browser and make sure your separate view feature is switched to on. Move your mouse cursor down to the lower left corner of the main page, click your profile name icon, navigate into the menu row labeled Settings, and look for the section option called Capabilities. Look closely at the toggle button sitting right next to the artifact's name line and click it with your mouse to ensure the status light is switched over to on. Because the application will never build a separate view panel if this main profile button is turned off. Sometimes a background system update or an unexpected login reset can flip your capabilities back to the default layout, forcing the writing tool to dump everything into the chat lane instead of opening your separate display cards. Step 2. Start a fresh chat thread to wipe out old memory flags on your screen canvas rows. Move your pointer over to the upper section of your left sidebar layout, click the button that says Start a New Chat, or use your keyboard keys to refresh the window page entirely. Verify that your main display screen drops your past conversation rows and shows a completely clean writing field line at the bottom row, because long chat threads can hit an internal memory ceiling that blocks the separate card generator from running. When a conversation gets too packed with text data, the background engine stops launching new visual assets to keep your screen layout from slowing down. Starting fresh strips away those old memory blocks instantly. Step 3. Type a very strong direct instruction block that tells the assistant tool to strictly package its output inside a dedicated code or layout container. Move your marker to the bottom text row line, type your project request, and add the strict command text sentence, "Create this as a self-contained artifact in a separate window panel," right at the very end of your prompt. Type your structural instructions using short words, and avoid adding vague commands like "make it nice," so the system has zero room to misread your formatting goal. Because it forces the underlying system to trigger its inner design sheets. The tool uses basic shortcut heuristics to decide when an item deserves its own panel, like checking if a script is over 15 lines long. Adding an explicit text directive manually bypasses those checks and tells the system engine that you absolutely require a dedicated display asset. And that's it. To fix Claude not creating an artifact when it should, you first open your profile settings and toggle the Capabilities feature switch to on your screen. Next, you move your mouse to the sidebar to start a fresh chat session to clear away old memory flags on your screen canvas rows. Then, you type an explicit command sentence demanding a separate window container to guide the tool behavior. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.